Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create recurring tasks in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating recurring tasks in Clickup helps streamline repetitive workflows and ensures that tasks are completed on schedule. All right. Now, automate tasks that needs to be performed regularly, such as weekly reports. It's a troublesome kind of a thing, or daily stand-up meetings to ensure they're not overlooked. It can reduce the time spent on manual task creation and avoid the need to repeatedly enter the same information every single time. Now, for us to be able to do that, if you haven't already, click and add a task right here. For example, we're going to put in the description. And then, now after that, you have plenty of options at the bottom. You see, you can set priority, like is it going to be urgent, high, normal, low, or and then on tags, you see you can search or create new tags here, but that's going to be for advanced tutorial. But the thing is, see, you have multiple options on the ellipsis button. You can time estimate, dependencies, subtasks, and checklist. But the thing here is, on the due date right here, instead of putting a set date here, like for example you wanted to start the recurring task on the August 1st or on the August 3rd or August 4th, you might want to click on the set recurring. Now on the recurring duration here, you have an option to use legacy recurring, but that's going to be for another tutorial. What I want you to focus is on this one, which is going to be weekly. Would you like to create this recurring task daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, days after? And you can set like 2 days after completion, 3 days after completion, or like 6 days after completion. It's all up to you. Or you can simply put a custom date right here. The recurring tasks should be from Sunday until Monday only, until Tuesday when it closed, and it can recur forever. All right, you can repeat like end of the this time until 2020 like 30, or you can repeat like for how many times is it gonna be. Like if it, for example, it's gonna be a meeting, maybe like 4 times or 7. Okay, when you click on close, you also have to trigger the recurrence when the task is moved to an any done or complete status. Click on when done. Or you can also click on the schedule recur and schedule regardless of whether the task is done. You can also click on that. Now, once you are happy with it, all you're gonna do is click on save and create task. All right, you can create and open, and you can create and duplicate if you're, for example, creating recurring tasks for a lot of collaborators, your freelancers you're working with, your company, your boss, and a lot more. All right. Now, I want you to click on the create and open. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. Now, there's going to be an option here on the share button. You can share with anyone right here. Just make it public. And of course, you can invite by name or email for the collaborators to join you in this recurring task or tasks. All right. You can invite by name or email. You can copy public link, maybe like copy this link and forward it to your email, to your company emails, or to your social media platform messenger like WhatsApp, Discord, Messenger, Instagram, and a lot more. You can copy the code, you can copy the expire link or never expire. You can also hide the advanced settings, and you can get a private link. Only those with permissions can access this link to recurring task that you are working with. Or you can copy link. Otherwise, you can make it private. When you do that, what will happen is only the certain people that was invited by name or email would have an access on this recurring task on Clickup. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.